gonna show y'all what a yield is. When I say after every 3 months, they send you money back. So let's say I got 100 in waste management that I saved up. If you go down to key stats, go over one, you see that dividend yield at the bottom? It say 1.79. So that means you'll get 1.79% back after 3 months. But the share price, see, I don't have a whole share yet, even though I got $100 in there. But I still get a little bit of money back. It'd be a little bit of change, but that's all good. The share price, is $153. So if you had $153.96, you'll have one whole share. So that one whole share will give you would get 1.79% back from that 153 if you had one whole share. All right. Let me see a big one for you. I got a McDonald's is trash, but the stock is great. I got $50 in McDonald's right now. I'm trying to get it to $255.81, at least one share for now, so I can get 2.39% back in 3 months. You get what I'm saying? So I don't know how much that is. 255.81. You would go 255.81 times 0.0239, I think, and that will give you how much money you'll get back from them. It's not a lot of change. It might be a couple of dollars depending on how many shares you got. The more shares you got, that shit turn into dollars. Like, look at Verizon. You need Verizon, because Verizon, these motherfuckers give you back 8.16%, bro. 8.16% dividend yields. I look for stocks that got dividend yields because they give you back money. And I got 192 in that. I done saved up 192 in that. That's 3 paychecks of money I done put in. Every time I get a chance to put money, I put some money in. Let me see. So you get 8% back off of that shit. So the share price is $31, bro. So I'm really about to see how much I get back. $31. And I got 192 in there. So I might get like $3 or $4 back, because I got more money in than I got. Let me see, how many share prices is that? 3, 6, 9, 12. Oh, I'm tripping. I can just look right here. I got 6 shares. I own 6 of them. So 8%. 8% of that. Let me see. Let's see how much I get off of this. $31 times 0.081%. I think that's what it'll be. $2.50 times 6 shares. $2.56. Nah, that ain't right. No way, that's it. $2.56 plus $2.50 plus $2.50 plus $2.50 plus $2.50. Yeah. So I should get around $15 in 3 months. Cause that shit give you 8.16% back. You see what I'm saying? So imagine if you got a whole bunch of stocks that give dividend yields back. See, stocks that give dividends is basically like a savings account. That's what I'm saying. It give you more money back. It gives you money back. I mean, even though like the big stocks like Apple and all them shits. See, I run for the dividend because they give you money back and money flow. Like Apple, these stocks can go up fast. You know what I'm saying? They can go up faster than the bitch. Even though it only give 0.55% back, these stocks can go up faster than the motherfucker, but I only got $6 in it. I need to at least get 173.66. I at least need to get one share of that shit. That's the share price. So I have to put $173 in there to get me a share. To get one share of Apple. To own one share of Apple. Because Apple, you never know. Apple can goddamn shoot up $300. If it shoot up $300, that means I'm a have $400 because I got one share. So $300 is 3 more shares. So I have like $400 if Apple shoot up out of nowhere. That's how those work. That's how those work. But ETFs, like ETFs on here, it's slow money, but it's like a savings account. That shit add up over time because you always gonna get paid after 3 months. You always gonna get some type of money. It might be $1, it might be $2, it might be $1 here. Shit, it might be 50 cents, but that shit add up over the years. This is better than the savings account in a bank. A bank only gonna give you 3% at the end of the year. A stock, ETF, is gonna give you 7 to 8% at the end of the year because that shit constantly moving. So yesterday, you can add that shit up. I got $4.90 yesterday off all these stocks combined. Just imagine if all these stocks got $500 in it and it's moving and it ain't just sitting there getting saved up. It's getting saved up and it's adding money. But you know, a lot of people scared to get in stocks, but because they don't know what they doing. I had to do a lot of research and shit to figure this shit out. And I ran across this dude that was talking about ETFs. I was like, what the fuck? I can do ETFs? See, ETFs got 5,000. Look, ETFs got a bunch of shit in it. They say the investment sheets provide investment results that before expenses correspond. Price yields perform ETF index trust. What do it say? See right here, say the trust seeks to achieve its investment objective by holding a portfolio of common stocks. That means multiple stocks that are included in the index in the portfolio, with the weight of each stock in the portfolio substantially corresponding to weight or such stock in the index. So you got multiple stocks in one. It's like it's a win-win with ETFs. Because even if a stock inside the ETF go down, another stock going up. If one going down, you might have 3 stocks going up. You know what I'm saying? Stock market gonna change around at the end of the year. Everything might be down right now, but shit, you know how life is. Shit go on the circle. Shit down and then shit back up. Shit go down, then shit back up. Goddamn. Everything fucked up right now. Everything down. But sooner or later, all this shit gonna go back up. You already know life is about balance. Everything around us is balance. Everything gonna fuck up around us, then everything gonna get right. Everything around us is balanced, man. It's crazy. Just like you see the sun come up in the sky, the sun gonna go down in the sky. Then the moon gonna come up. Then the moon gonna go down. Then the sun gonna come up. It's a big ass recycling fucking universe. For real. But yeah, that's just the ETFs and shit. But yeah, them all the stocks I got. So every time you put money on stock, you can go down, go to key stats. You click on the stock, right? Click on the stock, go down the key stats, and go over here and see if they got a dividend yield. If they got a dividend yield, I'll get it. And try to look for one that got like at least 2% and up. You know, the bigger the percent is, the more money you get. You feel me?